So this is the first in a series of videos, and it's all following the brother-in-law's build of a drift car. He started from scratch. It's been 2 years so far up to this point, but this is the first episode and it's an update of where he's at. Stay tuned, because the next few will be coming out real soon. In 4 weeks time we look to actually have it on the track, and there's going to be some damn good shots, so stay tuned, watch the whole of it and let me know your feedback. Tell me what you think. Alright, cheers.
Today we find ourselves basically going down to Motorsport 56 just down in Wicklow. We've been working on this car now for probably the last 2 years. It's a BMW E92 powered by RB25 fully forged engine, which was brought in from Australia about 2 years ago as well. Now to get measured up for the steering column. We're just coming into the final stages now of the build, just finishing off the wiring, a few little bits of assembly, and then it should be good to go for mapping then. Hope to have the car out in 4 weeks at the Drift Games Bash, and hopefully iron out any problems that we potentially may have. Just going to take a bit of footage of the car and show you guys what's coming soon, I suppose.
What did I know?